Hey guys, welcome, and today we're going to be talking about 3D printing and the two different types of 3D printing. You may be like, I already know what 3D printing is. I don't need to know anymore. Well, this video is going to be a little bit of a refresher for those that do know, and for those that don't, we'll learn. And near the end of the video, we're going to look at the 3D printer that I'm building. So just what we're going to be doing for the next little bit on this channel. So the first kind of printer is SLA, standing for stereolithography. And behind me, that you'll be seeing right now, is a picture of the Formlabs 3D printer. That is a SLA 3D printer. So it basically uses mirrors and a laser to reflect the light around, which hardens the resin above it and basically creating a 3D part. The other kind is FDM. FDM printers have came a long way in developing. Behind me I'm going to show a picture of an old RepRap, and yeah, it's pretty crazy to look at. And all the rods going every which way. It's kind of hard to tell what it's trying to do. Now I'm going to put the RepRap Prusa i3 Mark II, and yeah, it looks a lot better. So that's just a simple example of how FDM printers have improved. SLA, yeah, they've kind of improved. The Formlabs looks awesome. I can't fault them at all on the aesthetics, but Formlabs, the printer is over $1,000, so it's really hard to make one yourself. They're hard to make and they're way less common. So FDM is the route I'm going to be going. So let's go take a look at the printer I'm building, and we'll just talk a little bit about what I'm going to be doing. I'll probably just do like some more videos on me working on it. So let's go. Alright guys, now that we've talked a little bit about what 3D printing is and different types of 3D printing, I just want to show you the DIY 3D printer that I'm doing. I'm doing a FDM printer, and I just wanted to mention the guy that I borrowed the design from. His YouTube channel name is Ek Projects. Pretty good channel. I'd recommend you to go check that out. Anyways, I'm just going to show you this printer real quick. Some of the mods that I had to do from the original designs that he had. I did redesign a couple of things, so let's get right into it. First off, right here, I did not make this box big enough. So when I would put this in, this little motor holder bracket right here would get caught on the outside, this plywood here, and it wouldn't allow this to freely move. So I had to turn them inside out. But since this is going to be using a belt, he designed it to where there would be just the belt going out of the right side there, and that wouldn't work because I had to flip the two around. So I just took a Dremel and cut out some of this stuff right here, and the belt should be able to go through there. I cut up some plywood to be able to hold this in place better, otherwise I was afraid that it would just rip off. I don't know if that was the case or not, but hey, it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Anyways, really the only other designing thing that I did was I had to make the rods go almost clear into this piece here. So the rods go about into right there. So on his design, he just had them going in maybe there, but mine have to go all the way back in here. That's it just for the designing part. I did find that if I put 4 bearings in here, that it wouldn't slide very well. So I definitely just put 2 in, and it slides a lot better than it did. So there you can see how that's better. So that's my 3D printer. Hope you guys are enjoying this video, and for the next couple videos I'm just going to be focusing on finishing it up and working on it. So as always, have a nice day.